Hello, so today we'll discuss about MCQs of principles of inheritance and variation. So this is basically about heredity and inheritance. Let's say uh, two brother sisters are there, right? And let's say Rima is the daughter of mother and father, so she is having brown hairs. So now uh, that that is what trait is. That brown hair color that might be passed from parents to offsprings. Like let's say mother has brown hair, then daughter also has brown hair. So this is basically heredity, passing of traits from parents to offspring. And then there's a word inheritance. Inheritance is basically what like literally inheritance means like property, wealth, debt. But in genetics, inheritance is pass practice of passing on property from one generation to next. So then we have inherited trait and acquired trait. Inherited trait means which is genetically passed down, and acquired trait which a child acquires from his habitat, from his environment. He learns, let's say he learns from his school, from his friends. That is acquired. He's acquiring something. Okay, so father of genetics is Gregor Mendel. Okay, now let's go to MCQs. First is, how many true breeding pea plant varieties did Mendel select as pairs which were similar except in one character with contrasting characters with traits? So here the answer is 14. See this box. In the question they have asked about how many varieties did Mendel select as pairs. So here they have shown 7 pairs of contrasting traits in pea plants. So if I see here, 7 is not in the option. So what they have done is like 1 dominant, 1 recessive. So 7 this and 7 this, total 14. So like that it is. So the answer is 14. And next is, among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experiments on pea? So if you see, seed color is there, then pod shape, pod color is there, then axial and terminal flower position is there. Axial means like on different, like pattern is like this on different nodes, and terminal is from one point only, many flowers will arise. Then stem height is there, flower color is there, seed shape is there. So here they have asked which one is not. So trichomes, glandular or non-glandular, this is not a part of Mendel's traits. Next is, which one from those given below is the period for Mendel's hybridization experiment? So Mendel worked for 7 years and its time period was 1856 to 1863. So in NCRT you can see the 4 point, like in this chapter 4.1, under Mendel's law of inheritance, there's a line. So it was during mid 19th century that was made in the understanding of the maintenance this part. Gregor Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years, 1856 to 1863. So here is the answer is in this line. Next is, in his classic experiments on pea plants, Mendel did not use seed shape we know round and wrinkled, seed color yellow and green, flower position axial and terminal, pod color is there. If you see, pod shape and color is there, but length is not there. Okay, so this was the one he didn't choose. Next, how many pairs of contrasting characters in pea plants were studied by Mendel in his experiment? How many pairs? 7. So if either it will be 7, or if 7 is not an option, either it will be 14. Which one of the following traits of garden peas studied by Mendel was a recessive feature? So recessive feature, first we will see about they have given us seed shape color, then pod color, and pod like peas, right? So pod, if you see, color of pea is like the outer covering, that is green. So basically that is dominant, like in simple terms you can make out. Then axial, coming to axial flower position. So axial flower position, this is here. This is dominant. Okay, axial is dominant. Then pod color, now they were talking about seed color and shape. Round is dominant and seed yellow is dominant. So round and yellow is dominant, and here axial is dominant, like from different nodes. Now coming to question. So round is dominant, then axial is also dominant. Seed color yellow is dominant and green is recessive. So here they are asking about the recessive, which was a recessive feature. Okay, so yellow is dominant and green is recessive. Next is the genes controlling the 7p characters studied by Mendel are now known to be located on how many different chromosomes? So basically P has 14 chromosomes, and so it's believed that they are located on 1, 4, 5 and 7. But now, so here is given, when Mendel studied characters together, he was very fortunate. 7 characters was chosen. Okay, so they were located on 7 different pairs of homologous chromosomes. like genes for seed color and flower color. They are located on chromosome 1. Genes for stem height, flower position, then pod shape, they are located on chromosome 4. Then for pod color genes, located on chromosome 5, and for seed shape, located on chromosome number 7. But now it's known that they are located on 4 different chromosomes. Hence the answer is 4. Next is, according to Mendelism, which character shows dominance? Okay, axial is dominant, this is recessive. Green color, oh one sec, round and wrinkled, this is recessive. Green pod color, this is dominant. Then green color in seed coat, yellow is dominant, green is not. So here they are asking about which is dominant, that is green pod color. Okay dear, so rest of the questions we'll discuss in next session. Thank you.